everyone, welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monli Saurambai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. Nothing achieved in 5 years because of a joint corruption, says LG Varanja. Arrest the culprits, none should be spared, says Hito. Candidates from North Shillong spotlights their own manifestos. And Phagu Chauhan swears as the new governor of Meghalaya. And now the news in detail. After an imprudent remark made by Amit Shah branding Meghalaya a corrupt state, LG Varanja, the Meghalaya TMC candidate on the 18th of February in North Shillong, questioned BJP on why didn't they do anything in the past 5 years when the state was being looted by their own partners. She self-justified, adding that BJP didn't take action in the past 5 years because they were all part of the corruption. She berated BJP and exclaimed that the people of Meghalaya aren't corrupted, but it is BJP that made the leaders of our state corrupted with joint cooperation of various state leaders. She then challenged Amit Shah if he has the guts to send the ED to raid the politicians who are part of the MDA government. With less than 10 days for the ensuing assembly polls in Meghalaya, Meghalaya TMC North Shillong candidate Eljiva Gwyneth Ranja is seen on the ground, interacting with the people of the constituency with consecutive meetings determined to leave no stone unturned.
Good afternoon. My name is Eljiva Gwyneth Ranja, candidate from 17 North Shillong constituency. Hearing the statement, the remarks made by the Honorable Home Minister of our country, it's very sad to see him campaigning in Tura with his headlines stating that Meghalaya is the most corrupt state in the country. Well, I should question the Home Minister himself. Wasn't the BJP a part of the MDA coalition in the year 2018 till the very day? We have seen that when the MDA government was formed, it was under the leadership of Himanta Biswas, Assam Chief Minister, that a flag of BJP was seen floating in around our lovely state. It was through them that the MDA government came into power, that is the BJP. So weren't they part and parcel of forming this government? Aren't the BJP a part of all the scams that is happening in the country as well as our state? When we look back, when they talk about the power department, it was the hands of the BJP, the NPP and the UDP and its partners in the MDA government who had sold our rights, who had sold our state in the hands and at the mercy. To hear that, because they've seen the 5 years how our state has been destroyed by the BJP, and it is high time that we ask the BJP government if they have the guts. Rate your own partners who are in the MDA government. Capture the leaders, capture the politicians who are part and parcel. Do they have the guts to do that? Just because elections are around the corner, they try to speak their empty jumla out here. And I would say, if you have the guts, come out on the street and say that you did not do any corruption in Meghalaya. Where is the money of Meghalaya? The money of Meghalaya went to all the leaders sitting in the central leadership of Amit Shah and his group. Let me tell you, we as principal opposition in the state, the Trinamool Congress, will not allow any other political party. We will fight against the divisive force and we will ensure that BJP will get 0 digit on the verdict of 2nd March.
After the comment made by the Home Minister of India, Amit Shah, that Meghalaya is the most corrupted state, the Hneutrap Integrated Territorial Organization, HITO, under the leadership of Dunbok Dakhar on the 18th of February, exchanged words with the media persons and informed that the organization had submitted a memorandum to the Home Minister to begin the investigation through CBI or ED agency to find the truth and expose the case and arrest the culprits. None should be spared. Hito demanded Amit Shah to complete the task before, on or on the 23rd of February, failure to which the organization will file a case against him because they believe that he accused the state being the most corrupted just for election influence. The organization also clarified to some rumors that is pro-AITC, to which they replied, they have never been funded by any political party, nor they have received any benefits from them.
Kejingwan kejungi sikilat saya kubor mendaksi kedai halor bangi la depan file ke neka memorandum dan ne kata ka appeal ban investigation ya ka naka CBI bat ke ED agencies haga baya kami ketu kejingkan no Home Minister Amit Shah pa Meghalaya kedai ka corrupt state dan ne ka jela ka babam sam te nisngo kuman sikadai ya ba kuman kemau ba kan bil tarik menai ba khatar sunam arko wei bat kumjo ke pratarik menai pendai arjar arko wa nila de bu kata ka memorandum ban pa investigate lane ban pa CBI bat kita ED agencies ban lap ya kata ka jimbam sapong pong te hadin kato kan nisngi bat te kato menai kato snem tingila ba hekling ba klat thai kubor Muhammad Shah ulapun scam baka don shisha ka jimbam sap apo jela meklia te ngi scam bo tharai ula don kita ki kot kisla ke babiang hakamit ke jongu te ngi na kaliang kaseng pat ngi smukya pat ngi la su dei biang ban tho biang te ngi la tho mene te ngi la pha heru mene hi shu ban pha ya kaneka investigation habia dei baka CBI bat ED agency apo jela jungi khnang ban lap jegi jing shisha bat bade ban kemlot na phang ye gitu ki bodon kiti ngala ong ninja lingba kat kum ka an ka bom mun menta nga kum ong ayi pimentan ngade unong thebut pinwan kan no ba mga udai ubabam sap nga ngam pedia bade hang tu uklem I specific whether is NPP whether is BJP whether any political party semua hendrei ong bet Meghalaya nga ngade nong Meghalaya PPD nong Meghalaya umla ban ong kulum ba ka Meghalaya kadi ka corrupt state kabomut ngan sujar kerteng Highland Post corrupt hito corrupt KSU corrupt bat kiwei long corrupt lot te hendrei nga kumu uta nong thebot ngam pediang kan ladangi digi corrupt kem pendi shisha te hendrei ladangim dei bat kamut pisu ang tanggan na kasentor hendrei pimlot pat nek ka kam tingi kermen bahaga lingba Home Minister ulah ban pungwan sisa ya kata ke idi bat ngin ko periru bat ka seng BJP hadu arpulai bat ke central government kumju bat ngin pen isu ya kita kisabut kisaki lada kinut sisa ban pha ya kata ka CBI bat ED agency apo ke state ko jungi ban kemlot naphang maddei useng malang maddei politician maddei non thok kubor maddei semana-mana ndrai lada kindla nut ban allege kadon sisa kumu ula kuno bangi kadai kejela ke babam sap te le ko budan kam hendrei la de phimla ban le hapo arpulai trik ka seng kamban se ban ai ka defamation case persha yo Home Minister jongkari.
On the 18th of February, the Waingdo community arranged a common platform, the same as one organized by Laj Umkra and Pinthor Umkra in the previous days for candidates from North Shillong to strengthen and highlight the election manifestos. Present in the occasion were concerned public and the candidates from North Shillong themselves.
Hangi yang po Shillong Waingdo karon school kung ka Christian Academy ka bay school na po Christian Academy hagapor ka banganang school kani Haksan Spa arajar sibanay nangtas sa tuition nangtas kijing na puli karon ndalapas kay ka kampo magninyo kapor kajing jinjar ka bakal yakdo kisabla manta ngiya sa tunsuneng kajing bangdon jong kita ki coaching centers kajing bangdon jong kijing ikai ban ai ki kita ki skill development kajing bangdon jong ka internet connection hakimi school kajin bamdon jong kilat ya kikina bakin pinpro ada di pelat banyak kesembas ke baki kita ngangiwi ngakapor sekapor habamian serum seneng sama dengan konstruksi ngilirung sikiri yang di kebun kijuang diberi wenang orang seno kita bikun jogi seno kita kihimen kipara kiam kita sekolah keluar kita sahai berapa teh apa kita satu kestir kipuli nak kejelah jogi kano kade kecil lah bun lagi balik puli maka kibade kitopas kibale asli kibale tuition bari babu mencua hadir makilada puli hadir makilada pendat di kedan kum ki doktor ki engineer bun lagi gilek ban syakri yang jelas sama ki syakri yang ki state sama ki penkeu ki ai ka development sa kastong ki sama tamal balai hasdo ni tamdan kala ki kena ki balik puli lang bana Janmir pikiri pinya dari konstruksi kian sesurok kian sepokil ti diskin kimtip dia kai kalau wei nyui yakini kisama kibayar bon lagi beta kakam ke bahaya tau ke kiyo alasi kini bandung nonya wara aswidi bandit ai delivery katakan kadai kata ke pokion ka unemployment ka badana ka state kucungi
Shri Phagu Chauhan was sworn in as the new governor of Meghalaya on the 18th of February 2023 at the swearing-in ceremony held at Raj Bhavan, Shillong. The oath to office and secrecy was administered by Mr. Justice Wanura Dengdo, Judge of Meghalaya High Court. Shri Phagu Chauhan, who was the former governor of Bihar, succeeded Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra. So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.